Okay, we're going to be trying to pick this ASSA Desmo again. I've got a new light that I'm trying to play with. So let's get that positioned right inside. It's pretty cool. We'll do 30,000. Maybe I can turn it to each side if I'm picking left or right. So I don't remember what the bidding is on this one, but I do remember that it isolates left and right pretty well. Like you can pick the left side and then you can pick the right side. So that jiggle is what we're looking for. Gonna see if this is practical. It's kind of humorous how I'm trying to angle myself around this setup. Let's see if that's it. I'll just slide these to the bottom if they're not binding, which might indicate that our left side is not done yet. Keep getting fudges in there. Of course, I can see them real well now. Yeah. Hey, that's awesome. I mean, that's super cool. Well, I can't say it didn't help. Yeah. Let me zoom out here. Yeah. So, this one, being able to view it illuminated like that, it definitely helps. And it would be tremendously easier if I didn't have this, thing blocking my face the whole time. But yeah, that's super fun. I'll go ahead and gut this. Why not? It's been a while since I picked this. I haven't repicked this lock since I got brown belt with it. So we will go on ahead. This one's super easy to pick, or super easy to gut. It doesn't even need to be in a picked state in order to come out. A little bit cluttered on my desk here. Oh, I guess my focus is off. There you go. Yeah, so this one, since it's always installed, or its use is for a payphone, I don't know. It just, if you have access to the back of this like this, you've already, it's already been bypassed. So I guess that's the logic with being able to just push it out like this, if I remember right. They just come out of the bottom. There's 2 sidebars. So we'll call this left and right. Put right on top and left on the bottom. Yeah, the tolerances on this are pretty good. That does check out with what I remember. Just the trying to get these pins out. And even I felt like the first time I had a little bit more issues with like the pins sliding down a little bit. So whenever you let go of your tension a little bit to set the next one, sometimes you have to go back and like nudge some others to get them set again. But maybe combination of me having a little better, more refined tension control now, or it could just be the angle that I had it set up. It was kind of tilted back a little bit so I could get my recording rig set up straight down the barrel. But yeah, anyways, that's it here. It's not for a belt here, so I'm not exactly worried, but yeah, got this. This is it. I mean, it's the beauty of it is really in the simplicity. So just 4 little chambers here, and then the little piston style pins, it looks like. A couple of sidebars. So the key is super cool, I think. Not nearly as cool as like the 3KS, the Ava 3KS, which I think is probably the coolest key that I've seen. But it's up there. It's pretty cool, simple, durable design. Very few parts that can break through just normal use. So still a really fun lock. Really cool. And I didn't show it off. I guess I should have. It's the Honest Dong sort of lighting rig that I had kind of clamped into the small rig clamps here. But yeah, that's it. So alrighty, that's all. See ya.